how do you limit interactions on your Instagram account, in particular tags, mentions, and also comments on your post, stories and reels? Well, like everything in Instagram, there's a setting for that. And you get to those settings by going into your profile page, click on the hamburger sign at the top right-hand side of 3 lines. And once you're in those settings, scroll down until you can find who can interact with me. And in there, you've got lots and lots of different options. But we're interested in tags and mentions. Click in tags and mentions. And in there, you get lots of other options too. And it says who can tag you. So you can limit who can tag you to allow everyone. You can allow just the people you follow, or you could turn it off completely. And the really nice thing is that you can also manually approve tags as well. So I think that's quite nice. But in exactly the same way, you can do the same thing for mentions. Click into mentions, and then you can limit who can mention you. And I think that's really powerful, especially when you get these spammers that often like to tag people and tag you or mention you, and it draws your attention. And I don't like that at all. In the same way, who can interact with you, there's also the option to limit the amount of comments you make. So you can go in there, click in comments and comments for posts and reels, and in there you can limit who can comment on your posts. I like to leave it open because I think the more comments on posts that I get, the better. And if there is any spam on my account, I tend to just delete them off anyway. But equally, you can do the same thing for stories. So you can limit who can interact with your stories, who can comment. Once again, I leave that on so everyone can do it, because obviously the more comments you get on your posts, the better it is for the algorithm. But there you have it. You can limit who can tag you, who can mention you, and if you want to, you can limit your comments. And as I said, that's powerful because it obviously reduces the limits, at least the possibility of these spammers trying to draw attention from you. And the last thing you want is your attention taken away with what you really want to do. I've challenged myself to try to create and post 7 YouTube videos in 7 days about Instagram, in particular tips and settings to hopefully help enhance your use of the platform. If you want to follow along, I'd recommend that you click the subscribe button down here, and in particular click the notification bell, and hopefully you'll see my next post when I post it. Thank you very much indeed for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheerio.